Okay, so what we're going to do today is going to replace the this cover here, plastic cover under the car because it's been hit. It's pretty much shattered. So this plastic here, it's not really, it's very critical in my opinion. If you don't really replace this, it, it's gonna cost you in the long run, because I've see this oil filter here, the same exactly as Mazda 3s and some other vehicle, that the filter is located, it's in this, is in the particular spot. So the problem is, if you don't have this plastic piece and you hit something, this filter will come off. I've seen it my own eyes. The guy drive without this plastic, and he hit a raccoon down the road. He hit a raccoon, and the raccoon went in here and take the filter with it, and he just kept driving until the engine seized, just because he doesn't have this plastic piece. This is plastic piece. It might be for other people out there. That's just nothing. That's not gonna do anything. Maybe just a dash shield, but not really. But you can see, if you don't have this plastic cover here, see, the guy went into the curb. So without this plastic, there's a possibility that he could hit the oil filter too. So he got lucky at this time. So now we're gonna have to replace this with the new ones, and also this, and this part here too. It's shattered. Like, he really went into the curb, right? So the other side has a little bit here broken. So that's what we're gonna do. At the same time, we're going to do rust proofing before I put the new ones in. So here we are. Here's our plastic piece. This is original, by the way, from the dealership. If you might wonder for the part number, that's the part number here. That's part number Honda. So we're gonna put that in and we'll see. Okay, so to remove this is not rocket science. Anybody can do it. All you have to do is just take the screws. You have screws over here. You got clip over here, clip over there, clips, and after that it's gonna come down. And same thing with the other side. Well, the other side you got plastic nuts. So you got plastic nuts here, there, and there, and here, and here, and that's it. Once you take that out, it should come down. Same thing on the other side also. Alright, so now it's removed, and take a look. See? Take a look at that, how much exposed if you don't have this cover underneath, right? If you hit something, right? Look at the filter, the color blue, right there. See how exposed that is? If you hit something, any animals, especially a raccoon is a bigger animal that you can hit on the road. If that raccoon hit in here, it will break the filter and leak all your oil, and that's it. Your engine is done. So that's how much that plastic piece played a role here. Like I said, maybe to some people just a plastic cover, dust cover, it's not a big deal, but not really. In this situation, you're gonna pay for a good price without that plastic. you had an accident. All right, so I sprayed a little bit of rust proofing in there because after all, we live in Canada, so lots of salt. And here's the new plastic. So we're gonna go and install this. All right, looking nice, and it actually comes with the new bracket, new clips. Where is it? Yeah, so those new clips and new screws as well. So yeah, so that's looking nice there. So we're gonna go do the side of the car. Okay, so this side is removed. So you can see at least there's no damage from the accident. Here's the plastic. Alright, so here's the new one and the old one over there. So again, I put a rust proofing. It's a transparent rust proofing, so that's why it looks like that. Alright, so new plastics installed. This screw actually metal screw. I thought it was a plastic. There's only two plastic screws. Is this one here, and there's one on the other side. But the rest is actually metal. So yeah, so that's on this side. It's done. So we're gonna go on this other side here. Alright, so this is the right side, the passenger side of the vehicle. Plastic cover. Yeah, you gotta have to make sure also that you lubricate the screws because they're really rusted out. There's one here that snapped, so you gotta make sure you lubricate that. This is one of the reasons that we do rust proofing here in this part of the world. Alright, so this is the new one, passenger side. So it's done. Yeah. So here's the front. Right, and the other side. That's it. Thank you for watching.